Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English Vocab. Today we are going to present you 5 common English words with their meanings to ameliorate your vocabulary knowledge.
To begin with, let's start with the vocabulary test. Please pick the correct ones similar in meaning to the given word. Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. So, let's get going. Did you get your all answers correct? Oh yes, congratulations! No? Then no worries, we are here to support you. Let's dive into our first word.
Corollary. Corollary means a new proof or proposition that follows naturally from an established one. Something that results from something else. Consequence. We'll see a few examples to understand the word corollary better.
Example 1. The exploitation of environmental resources gives a corollary to the extinction of many species. Example 2. The natural corollary of fear among the citizens is due to the increasing number of deaths caused by pandemic.
Example 3. As a corollary of his silly activities, the principal suspended him from the college. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word corollary are end result, sequel, absurd, aftermath, inference, deduction.
The next word of the day is
Notorious. Notorious means well known for some bad reason. We'll see a few examples to understand the word notorious better.
Example 1. The city has long been notorious for pollution and high rates of crime. Example 2. Monica was notorious for lying, so everybody ignores the gossip she spreads.
Example 3. He was a notorious criminal. Everyone in town knew him as someone to avoid. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word notorious are infamous, disreputable, opprobrious, scandalous, dishonorable, ignominious, large, disgraceful.
The next word of the day is
Incorrigible. Incorrigible means incapable of being corrected or amended. We will see a few examples to understand the word incorrigible better.
Example 1. There are certainly violent and incorrigible criminals from whom the society must be protected. Example 2. John was an incorrigible romantic, forever dreaming about the love of his life.
Example 3. Mike was an incorrigible philanderer who betrays his innocent wife. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word incorrigible are adamant, defiant, intransigent, obdurate, incurable, intractable, inveterate, irredeemable, hardened, obstinate, pertinacious, perverse, recalcitrant, refractory, willful.
The next word of the day is
Nescience. Nescience means lack of knowledge or awareness, ignorance. We'll see a few examples to understand the word nescience better.
Example 1. No one can give a solution to the problem with a state of nescience. Example 2. Because of the nescience and superstitious belief, he couldn't get benefit from modern medicines.
Example 3. John's nescience about political things caused him to appear foolish when he tried to talk politics. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word nescience are unenlightenment, unconsciousness, obliviousness, unawareness, numbness, stupor, incognizance, benightedness.
The next word of the day is
Sentence. Sentence means the punishment assigned to a defendant found guilty by a court or fixed by law for a particular offense. We will see a few examples to understand the word sentence better.
Example 1. Despite innocence, poor David was accused of murder and sentenced to death. Example 2. Protesters at New Delhi are demanding for the robust sentence to the recent rape case of a young girl.
Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word sentence are condemn, convict, immure, incarcerate.
Now it's your turn to make the sentence of your own in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.